The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series has landed. Samsung is unveiling a pair of Galaxy Watches. These are the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. The Watch 5 will basically replace the Galaxy Watch 4 and is available in 40mm and 44mm sizes, and basically looks very similar to its predecessor. More on that in a little bit. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a new entrant to the series altogether, and it's got a 45mm face, and it's designed for Samsung, says the great outdoors. The Galaxy Watch 5 Regular resembles Watch 4 Regular, and this is a sport-looking watch with many colors option. This is made of aluminium, whereas the Watch 5 Pro has a titanium frame. Starting off with the cheapest Galaxy Watch 5 model. 40mm sizes, comes with a 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display, and now we have a sapphire display to protect it from scratches, and watch comes with a price tag of $279 for the Bluetooth model. Next we have the Watch 5 44mm model, has a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display, and a bigger battery at 410 million power. You can pre-order this watch for $379. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will only come with two colors, black and titanium, but Watch 5 will have more color options. All of these devices will come with the two versions, Bluetooth versions and LTE versions. Last one on the list is Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which has a biggest battery ever on a View smartwatch, and is 590 million power battery. Watch comes with a titanium case and sapphire 1.4 Super AMOLED display. There is no mechanical bezel the smartwatch, but we do have a touch bezel, weight's only 46 grams. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is noticeably heavier than the regular Galaxy Watch 5, to the point where raising your arm just to check the time actually kind of feels like a proper workout. Apparently, the regular Watch 5 is now precisely 60% tougher than the previous generation courtesy of its sapphire crystal screen. However, the Pro model is even more of a double heart-basted, rocking a proper titanium frame rather than stainless steel, and that is apparently 90% tougher, not just some 60% effort. Both smartwatches will run on the latest Wear OS 3.5, which will look even better with the latest One UI watch interface. Samsung will also target the corporate market with black and graphic leather straps for the Pro model. Yes, all three variants of the Galaxy Watch 5 do you have a built-in speaker and mic, so you can converse with the assistant as merely as you like and also take calls if that's your bag. And you have also got the option on all three, and LTE support via duct SM, so you can afford an extra mobile contract and you want to stay connected even when you are well away from your smartphone. Did you guys like the which design of Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.